Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Summer and I am so excited to share with you guys this video today because it feels like it's been forever since I've done a bedroom or like a design makeover space. That doesn't mean that I haven't been working on things. I'm actually working on a lot of different projects right now, but they are bigger. My little business is growing and I'm so excited about it. But so are the scope of the projects, so they are taking a little bit longer than, just a quick turnaround time. However, today I am doing an awesome guest bedroom for my new client, Kathy, and she's surprising her husband. She loves traveling to places like Thailand and Tibet and Bali, and she's an amazing photographer and has some really cool photography pieces too. She just likes a really kind of tribal meets tropical meets eclectic kind of a vibe in there. So we're going for this awesome Bali inspired guest bedroom space. We're doing it in one day. I've already ordered stuff. We've already shopped for stuff. So today's the day and we're gonna get this done and we're gonna knock it out and it's gonna be freaking awesome. And I'm so excited to share it with you today. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I beg you to please help out your girl and subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to grow this part of things as well. I appreciate you following me on this creative journey. Stay tuned for more amazing, awesome, exciting DIY and interior design videos just like this one. Okay, check out what I did. Head on over with me to beautiful Redondo Beach where we're going to my new client Kathy's house. She lives right on the Esplanade in the Riviera, right on the ocean, and it is stunning, you guys. I checked out Kathy's space that she wanted to design, and she was interested in designing her guest bedroom. She wanted to do it as a surprise for her husband as he had been on a long 4-week work trip. So we were doing this quickly and doing it fast. She had some existing artwork, existing furniture, and bedspread that she wanted to incorporate in the space. I just needed to help her pull it all together to create the look that she was really looking to achieve. I am in Kathy's guest bedroom right now, and we had some painters come in and freshen up this paint, and it was so kind of dark and drab in here. So just by changing the paint and adding a bright white, pure white paint color to the walls really just dramatically livened this place up. They've lived in this apartment for 20 years in Redondo Beach. It's a beautiful area. It's right on the Riviera and right by the ocean. But some of these units and apartments tend to be a little bit dated, and it was just this apartment beigey yellow color that just really needed a refresh. So even just changing up the white paint made such a huge difference. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna get started and getting all of these things together. We've got our artwork here that I that I picked up on OfferUp, which was only $20, and they look amazing. Actually, they were $20 each, so 40, sorry. But still, hand-carved wooden art, awesome. Check out what we do, stay tuned. Because my business is growing and some of the scopes of each projects are growing, the budget has been a little bit higher. However, because this channel is about doing things on a budget, I always go to OfferUp. We found this an awesome cabinet on OfferUp for $50. We offered, I think, $35 or $40 for it, and it's amazing. It fits our piece, and it's awesome. After talking with Kathy and addressing her wants and needs and checking out the guest space, I came up with some sketches and created a mood board to have the overall vision, vibe, and theme of the bedroom space that we were going for. When I design client spaces, I really like to take into account what they want, what they need, and also let them be a part of this design process. I'd like to think that that's something different that sets me aside from some other designers. I just really want them to be a part of this whole process too. Kathy found this amazing blue vase that she just loved at Home Goods, and we incorporated it into the space along with incorporating some of her other existing pieces like her artwork and bedding that she already had. Investing in tools like a laser level is literally going to change your life. I actually borrowed this from my buddy Jonas from our man cave design. I'm sorry, Jonas, but this laser level has changed my life. I need to get one, I know. Got my beautiful jute rug in here. It's gonna look really good. I know I've used this rug a lot in a lot of spaces, but I just love it and it's working out so good. Come look and see what I did in here.
I love it. You've taken my vision and just made it my personal travel log and used all my inspirations with my artwork and my photos, and you just brought it to life, and my husband and I couldn't be happier. We're just so excited.
Thank you so much, Kathy. It's been a real pleasure. I love it. I hope you guys
love it.
Thank you for watching.
High five.
And I don't know what I'm going to say. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video to see more awesome. I'm losing my mind. I don't know what to say.